Greetings YouTube. I'm planning on showing you one cartridge from beginning to end on a Dillon 450. The difference between a Dillon 450 and a 550 is this has manual primer and manual powder dump, and it does not have a removable tool head. The tool head is cast into the machine and you have to unscrew your dies every time you do a caliber conversion, unlike a 550 where you pull two pins and slide a tool head out and slide a new caliber conversion tool head in. Here we go, 357 Magnum, using Lee dies, so you occasionally have to manually align. There you go. Take any bell out of the case, full length size, pull this back, prime, come forward, and you can see occasionally you get a little bit of grit down there, but it's not so bad. Push this forward and you prime the case. I'll show you. Here it is, freshly primed. There you go. Alright, manually index to station 2. Station 2 is where you come up, you get a slight belling of the case mouth, and that's your powder charge. Push it in once and let it come back, holding a pressure on this a little bit. You don't want to let this thing spring back on its own. It's got a little stop back here. Repeated hammering will damage the stop. Okay, now we come to station 3. Station 3 seats the bullet, and some of them will actually put the crimp. I've got mine set up to crimp on station 4. This is the bullet. It is a hard cast, 170 grain semi-wad cutter. Do you see the base of that? How it's green? Shouldn't be green, should it? That's a Mountain Dew can. Pat Marlin makes a gas check making tool that will allow you to create gas checks for 357 Magnum plain base. They also work for 38 Special plain base. This particular gas check tool, if you use a thicker material like 10 thousandths aluminum, you can cut gas checks for 38 caliber shanks, where a regular 38 caliber gas check bullet, these plain bases will work as gas checks. Okay, station 3, start a little bit, and I like to back it down and give a little bit of turn on that brass because it's a long case and it's a long bullet, and I want to make sure that I've got the best alignment that I can so that the bullet's not slightly cocked going in. You don't have to do 4, I'm just being overly cautious. Alright, here we go. Station 4, that puts a crimp, and there's your completed 357 Magnum 170 grain semi-wad cutter hard cast plain base gas check bullet, or cartridge rather. But yeah, there it is.